Interior is still clean. Anybody who has a roof lining for me will be great. I can't find the roof lining anywhere, but the car's very clean. Seats are a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna send it for a valet. Everything is still original on the interior. This is the adjustable launch control over here. I'll start it up for you now. It's got a steering wheel on it. This is just a quick shifter extension. We don't have the complete quick shifter. That is makeshift situation there, but we'll sort that out sooner or later. But yeah, she sounds nice.